Welcome. In today's video, I'll show you exactly how to create a WhatsApp community group step by step. If you've ever wanted to organize multiple groups under one umbrella or manage your community more efficiently, this guide is for you. Make sure to follow each step closely so you don't miss anything important. First, open the WhatsApp app on your mobile device. Whether you're using Android or iPhone, the process is almost identical. Once you're in the app, head to the Communities tab. You'll usually find it at the bottom on iPhone or at the top on Android. Tap on New Community if you don't have one yet, or select an existing community if you're looking to add new groups later. Next, you'll be asked to enter some basic details about your new community. Type in your community name. This can be your club name, school group, project team, or whatever suits your purpose. Then add a short description to let members know what your community is all about. You can also upload a profile photo to give your community a recognizable identity. Once everything looks good, tap Next. Now comes the most important part, adding groups. Tap on Add Group, then select Create New Group. Here, you'll be able to set a name for the group, choose a group photo, and add members who will be part of it. You can add multiple groups later too, if your community needs different discussion spaces for various topics. After setting everything up, review your details and tap Confirm. WhatsApp will instantly create your new community, and all the groups under it will be linked together. Members will see the main community name along with the individual groups they belong to. And that's it. You've successfully created a WhatsApp community group. Now you can share announcements, manage multiple conversations, and keep your communication organized in one place. If this guide helped you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more updated tech tutorials.